Welcome back everyone. A quick tutorial on how to set up and connect AutoView with TradingView and a broker to automatically trade TradingView strategies. First you need to set up AutoView. At the moment AutoView only works with the Google Chrome browser, maybe in the future the extension will be available in other browsers. You can download AutoView extension from the Chrome Web Store. Once you have downloaded it, it should show up in your extension list. You can also pin it as well. Click on the AutoView icon and go to Change Settings. Go to Permissions and allow permissions for your broker. As an example for this video we will use Own to Practice account. As you can see I have enabled mine. Now make sure you log in to Chrome browser with your Google account. Then click on your account icon and make sure sync is on. This will sync your AutoView to your Chrome browser. Now go to TradingView Listeners to connect your TradingView account to AutoView. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView in the Chrome browser. And AutoView will automatically connect to your TradingView. And then make sure sync is also enabled. Now to connect your broker account to AutoView. Scroll down below. And select your broker from the list. We will use Own to Practice as an example for this video, but the process is exactly the same for Own to Real account. Click on Add Account. To get these details we need login into our Own to Demo account. I would leave account as default unless you're using multiple accounts on a single exchange. Then you need to call each account. Now to get the account ID. Log in into your Own to Demo account. Go to View Funds. The account number is your account ID. Copy the account number and paste it in the account ID field. To get access token, go back to Own to. Click on Manage API Access. Click on Generate to generate a new API key. Copy the key. Go back to AutoView and paste the key. Click on Test Credentials. Click on Add Account. Now your broker is connected to AutoView. And you can auto-trade your TradingView strategies, given you have included alert syntax in your TradingView script.